Hey, what's up guys? Today, I've got some exciting news for all you Honor fans out there. There's been a major leak about the new Honor 200 Smart, and I'm here to break down everything you need to know. First off, the Honor 200 Smart has been spotted on a German retailer site and a few certification databases like IMDA and GCF. This means it's likely to launch very soon. So let's dive into the specs. The Honor 200 Smart is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch FHD plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 4 GB of RAM. Plus, it'll have 256 GB of onboard storage. Not bad for a mid-ranger, right? Camera-wise, we're looking at a dual-camera setup on the back. A 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. For all you selfie lovers, there's a 5MP front camera. Battery life should be solid too, with a 5200 mAh battery and support for 35W fast charging. It'll run on Android 14-based Magic OS 8.0. Other features include an IP64 rating, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, dual speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. Pretty comprehensive, right? In terms of pricing, it's listed at 199 euros in Germany and will come in midnight black and forest green colors. Now here's something interesting. The Honor 200 Smart is also speculated to be a rebrand of the Honor Play 60 Plus, which is available in China. The Chinese variant has an HD Plus display and a bigger 6000 mAh battery, but no NFC. So it looks like Honor might be planning a global release with some tweaks. That's all for now. If you're excited about the Honor 200 Smart, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.